This is a demonstration of the use and setup of the FC114A. The power switch is located down by the power cord. There's emergency stop here, and then you control the machine by the HMI. Okay, when you're setting up the machine, you want to set the feed. This is the caliper which separates the sheets. You just want that about one piece of paper thickness above the vacuum drum. You want to adjust it between the holes. Don't line it up with the holes when you adjust it. You want it between them. You want the paper just to, if it nicks it, then when the vacuum pulls it down and pulls it through. You can adjust the height here, and if you loosen this screw, you can screw this in and out. For cardstock, you want it just about centered. For a lighter paper, you want to bring it in just a bit. This is your paper stop. That will keep the documents from blowing away, basically. This rail produces air, and this the drum has the vacuum. Adjustments for that are under the feed tray. You want when you set it up, you want this a little bit loose, so that way the air fluffs it up. You don't want the guide to hold back the paper. All the separation is done here. The registration is done against this. You have a rack of balls here. If you put steel, is for the heavier paper. It comes with glass and plastic as well for lighter paper. You can adjust that as needed. When you're ready to crease, if we start from the home screen, you just push the crease mode, and you can select long or short depending on the length of the paper. And this is accept. You select your fold. You can do, if you go to more, you can see different choices, and it also has perfect bind, so you can do book binding as well. For this demonstration, I'm going to do a half fold. When you start out, you'll want to, it's going to measure the paper, so you just put start measuring. This does not turn on the vacuum, so you'll have to give it a little nudge to get it through the machine. And then it's going to give you a measurement which is not in millimeters, okay? 282. That is close to the millimeters of the paper, but it's not exact. It should be right around the 8.5 by 11 paper. That's what the machine is going to use to calculate the half fold. So once you've selected that, it's ready to go for the half fold. Put your stack of paper on there. I just start from the top and go down, so pump, run, feed. When you're done, just push stop and it shuts off everything. And then you'll see that you're done. You have the half fold. And if you hold up the pages together, I doubt if you can see this on the video, but the creases line up very well, very accurate. Another way to set it up, you can use the custom mode. So if you just go to custom, then you can measure whatever you want to. You can crease up to 12 times on a single sheet of paper. So I could just, if I wanted to enter 55, enter, accept. Now when I crease this paper, it's going to crease only at 55. So there you have a crease at 55 millimeters. You can crease up to 12 times. 1 millimeter is the is the distance. You could do 12 1mm part, but all it would do is smash the paper, but your limitation is just 1mm from that point, and that is the crease mode.